a Ghana Police Service for Eddie communicate about one thing say Omuhia Afenyo-Markin say Omra. No me in someone of his own video be a there's Afenyo-Markin at 2 police nature there during demonstration. Afenyo-Markin say to them say and Samuka. Say the video no. I just added it. Not even police near no. A D4 or also a reply. Drop for 10. Eddie Ghana Police Service. I Penyah block media. Mesra say any demo. Oba like if you that one that was subscribe button and somebody click benefits that updates. Now batch the wide and mama comment section. Mesra so baswa. Now she be the one yasu enya be ashe. In general, a very big demonstration echo so Ghana Hanomo. I say MP before na and other political parties ever joining in safe judiciary demonstration. Demonstration against His Excellency John Mahama in his attempt to remove the Chief Justice. Unconstitutional. He is abusing power. In general, demonstration against that. Say Chief Justice there, Mahama Chinimu Eko ka ewiem kura. Say tail. Man kwai. Emma Mahama Empam Chief Justice. Chuman. Emma Empam Chief Justice. Now demonstration aseno. Enra BBC Abana Afenyo-Markin mo Eko Jubilee House or Ako present petition to the president no. Ni police for enya banta Emma twedie nyina kasai. What I said? No. Take your time. Let me analyze the video. Okay, so this be the video where Afenyo-Markin and the police officer, nearly fought. Okay, so let's watch it again. Okay, did you see that? Oh, yeah, question. Okay, yeah, for the slow, slow. Akwane born. Afenyo-Markin born. What I say? Afenyo-Markin born. Means or to there. What I say? Or to the first place. Afenyo to there. Ya capture. I say gossip 24. Clement. And Obama take this shot. Eddie Maya. It anyone. And Ghana police says for Eddie communicate. By pair this footage now where now. And Ghana police for Eddie report. Everybody say no. Ghana Police Service invite Honorable Afenyo-Markin to assist investigation into viral demonstration video. The Ghana Police Service has reviewed several video footages on alleged assault on a police officer by Honorable Afenyo-Markin during the just ended demonstration. Following the review, the police has written to the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament requesting the release of Afenyo-Markin to assist ongoing investigation into the alleged incidents. The officer in question will also be assisting the investigation. It's the Ghana Police for Eddie way ever want to end rather than. There's one video be I just say. Me assure this particular video captured by Gossip 24. What does that say? Video we no. Omo no mu ehwe mu no. Omo ehwe mu just there bi. Afenyo-Markin abon. Wo just Afenyo-Markin atotwede. Ete ne e was Afenyo-Markin etimba na obekire ensem. Emu na Afenyo-Markin so ebaaye. Then do we police for a statement by na just how many paragraph? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 paragraph and no so kura. Afenyo-Markin so by in the office of the minority. Bro foot. Police for today just 4 paragraph. Afenyo-Markin I reply with a full textbook. Afenyo-Markin I reply with a textbook. And what you say? I write to strongly condemn the reprehensible and disgraceful act of violence perpetrated against me by a uniformed police officer, Constable Forson, at the entrance of the Parliament House during today's peaceful and highly successful Save the Judiciary demonstration. Only terms oh, that be Mayor Afenyo-Markin cry no. Maybe say me try na ade bi a police ni bi ye ne. What I say? Constable Forson oye ne ne abra na demonstration e wo ye pese we Jubilee House no. Ade bi oye ne no. Maybe say me cry me kan ho asem. As the leader of the demonstration, I led the protesters together with the leadership of the other political parties to Parliament, one of the designated stops on our route to formally present our petition. Earlier, we had delivered copies to the Supreme Court, and from Parliament, we were to proceed to the Jubilee House. Okay, not was in Parliament House or the Jubilee House. As I say, Yako Court, any petition to court to Yako Court permit, any petition to Parliament House, the House permit. Now, if you are the president himself, any petition akomano. That's the main reason for that yesterday's demonstration. Upon our arrival at the Parliament House, the national organizer and the other political party leaders had already been granted access. The deputy minority leader, Honorable Patricia Appiaje, and I were then invited by the party's communication director, Mr. Richard Ehiagba, to proceed and join them. As I approached the barricade, without any provocation, a uniformed police officer stationed behind the barricade, Constable Forson, a tall, fair, heavily built officer, deliberately struck the left side of my chest with the full force of his right palm, directly near my heart. Oh yeah, Ben, barricade, and then police ni Forson, Constable Forson. Or didn't say, said Forson so bog na gyina hu Forson didn't say and then Afenyo-Markin boso ana pine na bo baby na kuma wo a wo kyerɛ nka na kuma ya tie ni sa enko ye ku no o enko na ku na fenfram wo ho. The impact of the hit dazed me and I was visibly shaking and short of breath. Hey, Afenyo-Markin. Afenyo-Markin. Hey, Afenyo-Markin say, "Ba constable bo dey. Hey, enye nso one so nna ni sukra ye ni hwani na ni se ni teta hwani wo hu kwa bukura yi. Wo hu kwa mu ye, wo aboda mo na ni subiri no." What I say? In that moment, I spontaneously protested his conduct, asking why he would seek to harm me. The inspector, who was facilitating my access along with other officers, quickly intervened and assisted me into the restricted area where I had to lean against the wall at the entrance of Parliament House to prevent myself from collapsing. A national service personnel from Parliament, whom I know, approached and offered me water. 2 CID officers from Parliament House also came to check on me and assisted me to a nearby security rest room where I lay down on a bench to stabilize. Boy Constable Boy Afenyo-Markin, assault. I say CID for Bemu, fire service for Bemu, CID for Bemu, the board nuko ekura baby restroom be emane ko da bench this woman. Fire service for crowd blading so no more ye emane tnaso home kakra ansa na on liba na so. What I say, Constable, why must you hit Afenyo-Markin like this? Why must you hit Afenyo-Markin like this? Mr. Richard Ehiagba, Mr. Henry Nana Boache, and the MPP's Greater Accra Regional Organizer stayed by my side throughout. They provided support and ensuring my well-being. After gaining some composure, I was helped to the washroom to wash my face, and though still unwell, I made a deliberate effort to compose myself, calm myself down, and rejoin the leadership of the delegation to present the petition, determined not to let the incident create a scene or derail the purpose of our peaceful protest. Following the presentation of the petition, senior police officers and the deputy marshal of parliament attempted to locate the officer involved, but he had mysteriously disappeared from the scene. It is suspected that he may have been directly removed to prevent further attention and avoid scrutiny. That's what you say. Oh, upon the scene, at least Otimi managed to pay so be who name as I could join in the delegation. Team no near the Adima or echo present or petition to the president. Or no, I'm about to be a better. Emma, anywhere see ya no. Marshana no crano. What I say? Deputy Marshana no crano. Yes, any police nuclear, yes, I do. Constable force, or no. But that time as a constable, a tag. Well, Yanni, were ye free mo? I said now, or no, I heard the why na would differ. It then I was a constable, a tag. How this act of aggression become widely known in that moment, it could have compromised the peaceful character of the entire demonstration. What makes this assault particularly egregious is that the officer was being openly reprimanded by his superiors and fellow officers at the time, who cautioned him against his conduct. Yet he defiantly responded that he didn't care who I was, leader or not, and that he would carry out his work regardless. About constable force in crowd, yes, or yes, na faithful police for me go on Eka Charlie, Adia any Dijanen or a member of parliament, and be pianist, it would be pretty which member of Parliament who massa. Yeah, see, Yame credit down on my man, but you want to say me Bob mine, and yes, Yame could see a mitra. Yame could see a mitra. What I say, as I've American seen and say that police officer really did. I was here to meet you. And somewhere else had another press statement ever wanted. No, I said, I hereby formally petition your office to investigate and take appropriate disciplinary action against Constable Forson, a tall, fair, and heavily built officer who stationed at the entrance of Parliament House to provide security during today's Save the Judicial demonstration. Constable Forson assaulted me at the entrance of Parliament House during the demonstration. To address this incident and to correct misleading narrative circulating in the public domain, I have issued a public statement detailing the event as they occurred. I rely on the said statement, which is hereby attached for your information and further action. So this is response at Afenyo-Markin at the Ghana Police Force. So far as I know, omo elete a omo try consent demonstration no eye concern o trim say police ni kwa no odifo bi say o ye kwa no na sia defo ho deputy marshal ehu no first for personals ehu no just say even security personals anu mo nyina ehu ade a police na ye ehu say enye a omo kwa no e catch police ade a wo ye no enye nkwa after o say o ye member of parliament it won't me enye sa we mra shebedwani lawmaker eti enye na nya sabat koti eye 2020 enye Afenyo-Markin epreso. What I say, my say, or Afenyo-Markin, most of Afenyo-Markin so they before to and say, anti anchor abai. So when is my Afenyo-Markin abeka? Which is on no dibim, only for second place for chase obey or if you will pay an investigation be on Yibiana, and what put you over for the woman, only for two people to differ and a constable force and that police officer, and a monk of penal, and Chinaman or no, it means a man. Tell your mamma, our conversation. I Penyah block me.